So here's my brand new GE Cafe with the Keurig adapter there. It's pretty nice. I've got the door switch pinned closed so I can actuate the hot water and show you guys what happens. If I hit the old hot water button here, it says tank is filling. And it shouldn't take long to start coming out the bottom. Here it comes. Oh, that's awesome. It's coming out the door everywhere. So I'll go ahead and cancel that. Oh man, this is so awesome. I'm so glad that my brand new refrigerator does that, and the soonest GE can get back to me is a week. Great, thanks.